Hello, and thank you for choosing Mainline Plumbing to bring clean water to your home. You have now reached Step 2 in the PFAS Removal Rebate program. If you have not completed Step 1, acquiring your vendor number, please refer to our first video to do so now, as this number will be required to complete Step 2, applying for your rebate. Let's start Step 2, applying for your rebate, by navigating to the PFAS Removal Rebate program at onlineforms.newhampshire.gov. As you scroll down, please note the list of required documents. Take a moment to locate each of these documents as they are needed to complete the application. You will need the vendor number acquired through Step 1, your pre-treatment water test report, the receipt for your new water filtration system, the manufacturer's specification sheet, your post-treatment water test report, a photo of your new water filtration system, and if you have had a pre-treatment system installed, you will need the results from this water test as well. Once you have located the documents, you may scroll down to the bottom of the page and click the button on the left labeled Begin Form Entry. In Section 1, please answer all questions and fill out all of the red starred fields as they are required to continue. After adding your address, click the Validate Address button. A box may appear with a suggested result. Please confirm this address is accurate and click Replace. After answering the next two questions, you may scroll down. You will now need your vendor number acquired in Step 1. Enter this number in the box titled Vendor Number. The intended recipient box should state Applicant. The requested amount should be $5,000. You may now scroll to the bottom of the page and click the Next Section button. In this section, we will tell the state who did your initial water test. If you went through the state, you will check NHDES. If you did this on your own, please check Applicant. If Mainline completed your testing, you will check Other and type Mainline Plumbing into the box provided. You may now scroll to the bottom of the page and click the Next Section button. In this section, we will tell the state what we have done to remedy the PFAS in your home. For the first question, check Point of Entry - Whole House. A box will appear titled Filter Media Name and Manufacturer. You will enter High Activated Carbon. For question number 2, check Other. When the box appears, type Mainline Plumbing. You may now scroll to the bottom of the page and click the Next Section button. We have now reached the required documents portion of the form. You will need to upload the documentation you collected prior to starting this application. You will upload your initial water test report, your invoice from Mainline, your manufacturer's specification sheet, your post-installation water test report, a photo of your new system, and if you have a pre-treatment system, you will now upload the documentation for this water test as well. If you do not have a pre-treatment system, you will skip this request and scroll to the bottom of the page and click the Next Section button. We have now reached the applicant affirmation portion of the form. Please read through each affirmation and check the boxes. You may now scroll to the bottom of the page and click the Next Section button. You will now review the information for accuracy. Once you have confirmed all the information is correct, you may scroll to the bottom of the page and click Next Section. In the final portion of this application, you will certify the form is complete and accurate by scrolling to the bottom of the page and clicking the Finalize Submission Submit Form button. Congratulations, you have now completed the PFAS Removal Rebate application. Be on the lookout for your rebate or additional information from the state. If you have any additional questions or concerns, please call Mainline at 603-437-9114. Thank you for choosing Mainline Plumbing. We look forward to the opportunity to serve you again in the future.